Oh, yes, indeed. Aerosmith there on the radio. Hauraki, big show this Tuesday afternoon. But right now it's time for...
The Big Show's Tradie Stuff-Ups. Thanks to Simpro. Take complete control of your business. Work smarter with Simpro.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Yeah, if you don't know what we're talking about, we've got $5,000 cash to give away. We are looking for the biggest tradie stuff-ups. If you've had a stuff-up or one of your mates, text trade to 3483. Or go to hauraki.co.nz to register.
Yeah, great stuff. Now, we've got Carl on the line. Carl, you mad bastard. How's life?
Oh, yep, pretty good nowadays, mate.
Yeah, good on you, mate. Good on you. Now, listen, Carl, talk us through your tradie stuff up, mate. What went wrong? What happened?
Well, yeah, so I was welding on a boat in Australia, just doing a few repairs and that, and then nearly finished the weld, and a young fella taps me on the shoulder. There didn't seem to be too much urgency, so I kind of carried on. And then when I lifted up my helmet, he said, "Oh, there's a bit of smoke inside the boat. You might want to come and have a look." And I thought, well, that's not ideal. So we went in there and had a little look round, and the boat was starting to fill up with smoke, and little bits of things were starting to melt. So we hit the alarm, got everyone off the boat, and basically it melted. It's basically a $40 million Navy boat.
Oh, was it like a frigate or something?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, exactly. Yep.
So you're all out on the lifeboats, presumably, just watching this ship go down, basically.
I would have thought it would have been docked if they were working on it.
It was docked. It was in the workshop, actually, so the workshop, kind of got a bit of damage as
right.
well. And,
Yeah.
Bloody good. And then, and what's to go from there? I guess you just move on to the next job, do you?
Well, pretty much. Yeah, we still had a few other boats to work on in the workshop, but in about 3 months' time, the company kind of went bust because people were worried about spending money with us, and so there was 180 of us all lost our jobs over that.
Oh, God! Jeez, Carl!
Yeah.
And how much were you saying? It was like $40 million or something.
Yeah, it was. That's probably a low side estimate.
I'm just having a look at it. I'm having a look at one of the many articles online, and it says that it's close to $54 million. That they had around about 50 fire engines turned up to fight the fire. But in typical Australian understatement, they said it's quite difficult because the fire was really hot.
Yeah, it was quite hot. Right.
Actually, we would
come in to film it and all that sort of thing. So it was.
Well, that's pretty impressive, Carl. I tell you what, you definitely qualify for tradie stuff-ups, mate. You're going in the draw, and geez, I reckon you got a good shot at it with a debacle like that.
Great, yeah, it was a pretty big debacle. It'd be hard to get one more expensive than that, I think.
Yeah,
$58 million. That's a good way to start.
Not too long after that, old Carl moved to New Zealand.
Yeah, good on you, mate.
Hey, Carl, you may have caused $58 million of damage, mate, but the good news is, thanks to our mates at Simpro, you've got $100 cash.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Good on you, mate.
And thanks to the big show.
Good on you, mate.
Good on you, Carl. Your backbone.